Alrighty, Ted, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got AFR heads on it. We got the Victor Jr. manifold, quick fuel carburetor. It's got the Shelby valve covers. Obviously a GT40. Got the GT40 front end. Got the Aviaid Oil Pan on it for you. Custom grind hydraulic roller. We'll go in there and make a run, show you what it does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,500, 486 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 538, peak horsepower 558, rated at 570, front end's about 20, so everything's good. One other thing here, we're going to show you some data, and then we're going to pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, it'll be this little credit card looking deal. It is actually a USB card. It is full of information. It's got all your engine build specs, a lot of technical data, your dyno video, everything of that nature. So highly recommend plug it in, read it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. On the engine, there will be this tag. You have your engine number, valve specs, lash, oil capacity, balance, internal, external, firing order, engine timing specs. Definitely hold on to this tag forever. That engine number is the best way for us to look you up. So hold on to that too.